Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this video I'm going to talk through two trades from this morning. One I took, one I didn't take, but I should have taken, and I want to show you the patterns that developed. So when you see something similar, you can recognize a pattern and you can act on it. And this is straight up first 2 hour of the morning day trading, the preferred way that I like to take advantage of 1 minute time frames. We're going to start off with the NQ. So I'm watching a few things. I'm watching the range that forms the morning, known as the clearing range, or opening range. You might have heard it referred by either term. It's the same thing. It's the range between 9:30 and 10 a.m. So it starts at 9:30 with the bell, 10 a.m. What's the high? What's the low? The other thing that I'm tracking are the lows before the bell in my V-score. All right, what are the standard deviations of volume weighted average price? And then the last thing, well, I should say there's two other things. I'm looking at where the support is based on volatility. And this is a volatility measurement that I call the HPMR process that I created some time ago. And finally, what the underlying structure of the market is, the trend via the 8, 13, 21, and 34 EMAs. The alert that we sent out was a buy in this area at the 12,950 level. And our first exit was to step out in front of size, in front of 13. So this was T1 right in here. We had a T2. We never got there. And this is really important. Once you hit T1, gang, and you pay yourself, we don't let a winner turn into a loser, and we move the stop up to a break even. All right. And that's what, that's what allowed us to not let this trade move against us in any severe way, while the market just kind of headed lower throughout the afternoon. And by the way, after 11:30, I really could care less what happened to the market. I'm just not interested in any of this. One of the things I remind my traders is that tomorrow, the next session, even better put, is a day trader's best friend. Because if you don't see something you like today, well, there's going to be another session around the corner. And, and another thing to keep in mind, if you think that you could have traded better today, well, remember, there's another chance the next session to do it better. And that's where the second symbol comes up. I should have done pretty much the same thing on the RTY, sans the hourly price movement range, and clearing range high, nice retreat. And you've seen me talk about this before in these videos, and nice follow through. So that was definitely a setup that I should have added to our NQ winner. It really should have been an NQ RTY kind of morning. 1 out of 2 ain't bad. We went 1 for 1. And that's a fine Monday. That's a good way to start the Monday, taking advantage of these long trades after the market reveals that it's willing to take out the clearing range high. And we'll look for the same things again and again every day. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next update.